We are back with another Cryptovani podcast to make the cryptocurrency more easier and understandable for you. So let's dive into the crypto price prediction. We will discuss the price movement and their technical part. So let's get started. First, we are going to discuss the second most famous cryptocurrency, that is the Ethereum. Ethereum is a decentralized blockchain network that hosts the cryptocurrency Ether, which act as a fuel for decentralized apps on the network. Ether has quickly become the competitor of Bitcoin and become the second most popular cryptocurrency after Bitcoin in the terms of market capitalization. Ethereum hash rate reaches all-time high, that is 715.4 terahashes per second on Sunday, setting the new records by hitting the new all-time high, indicating many of the miners that closed down due to the China crackdown since May are all operational now. That miners have recovered from the China clampdown. Despite the London hard fork that was expected to push miners away from the platform, reducing their profits, still ETH hash rate is increasing. This means one explanation is the fact that NFT creators need miners to help them mint non-fungible tokens and developers building decentralized apps on the Ethereum platform. So Ethereum price prediction. Will Ethereum go above $4,000? What do you think? Ethereum has been under the intense pressure since the last week as the sentiments of the market was bearish. Now Ethereum price movement is moving back upwards. The Ethereum price is trading around $3,600 at the time of writing, which is about 12% below this month high of more than $4,000. The network has a market capitalization of more than $427.96 billion. The chances of Ethereum rises, the current support and resistance look highly positive. The challenge for the Ether was to break the key resistance of $3,500, which it has broken and made close to $3,615 this week. As Ethereum has taken its support from the parallel channel, we may say Ethereum reaching $4,000 by the end of this month. So, the second on our list is Cardano. Cardano price prediction. Cardano is a decentralized proof-of-stake blockchain platform. The first is to be founded on a peer-reviewed research and developed through evidence-based method. It has a strong focus on providing scalable, interoperable, and sustainable decentralized applications. It is one of the first blockchain to be built in a highly secure Haskell programming language, which leads to a design where components are conveniently testable in isolation. Cardano is developing a smart contract platform that seeks to deliver more advanced features than any protocol previously developed. It is the first blockchain platform to evolve out of a scientific philosophy and a research-first driven approach. Cardano's new Alonzo upgrade has come alive on its network. This has added support for the smart contract to its blockchain to be created and deployed on Cardano mainnet. With this update, Cardano has become a direct rival of Ethereum. The Alonzo upgrade will allow smart contract usage to build decentralized exchanges, house non-fungible tokens, and many other use cases of blockchain in the real-world applications. Cardano promises a lot. Whether it can deliver will be the ask of the coming future. Let's see. Cardano ADA coin has become the third largest with a market capitalization of $76 billion. Despite Alonzo hard fork upgrade, ADA has fallen around 24% from its all-time high of $3.099. ADA is trading 6.9% rate at the time of writing. ADA is currently at the support level of $2.32, that was 0.382 Fibonacci level, followed by $2.03 support. On the other side, the resistance level are at $2.62. This is followed by $2.72 and the final resistance at $3.00. The RSI has been falling since mid-August and recently crossed the beneath the midline. This indicates that the sellers are attempting to regain the control of the market momentum. ADA looks to be almost finished with the brutal correction and should start heading towards $3.40 into the October. So the last one on our list is Bitcoin. Bitcoin bull Michael Saylor MicroStrategy has increased its holding. MicroStrategy, the largest corporate holder of Bitcoin, just sold off a part of a company to buy up another 550 of the cryptocurrency, and its total investment is now the worth over $3.1 billion. I'm not at all jealous. Anyhow, let's dive into the technical part. Bitcoin hit the recent high of $52,000 before crashing to around $43,000. After facing the bear market, bulls are trying to take charge of the market. The price of the Bitcoin has touched $47,000 for the first time in the 5 days and has grown its value by about 4.8% in the last 24 hours after getting its support from $43,987. That was the 0.382 Fibonacci level. BTC is headed towards its next resistance level of $47,300 and has broken the key resistance level of $47,000. It may give the rise to the further bullish moment and possible retest of $50,000 resistance. RSI also remains above the midline, showing a start of the bullish moment at the time of writing. Thank you for listening to the podcast. Stay tuned for another episode and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for the notification.